Marriages can fail for various reasons, with a husband checking out other women being a significant issue. If you feel hurt or insecure because of your husband's behavior, it's important to assess the situation objectively. Not all attention to others is the same. Casual glances or reasonable compliments may not be cause for concern, but lingering stares or inappropriate comments are disrespectful and warrant discussion. Recognize that his behavior may stem from habitual actions formed during adolescence, influenced by hormonal responses, but it can be changed with your husband's willingness to address it. Communicate your feelings using "when you X, I feel Y" statements and highlight how his actions impact you. If he responds defensively or tries to justify his behavior with gaslighting, it's essential to disengage and reinforce your discomfort. Consider counseling if his behavior is persistent and undermines your relationship. Ultimately, it's crucial to ensure that he understands the seriousness of his actions and their effect on you.